What is going on, guys? My name is Buff Popeg and today we're gonna react to clip Aryun-Goa soохор братская народная песня аранжировка Нарону Нарамбатар. Did I do that kinda right? Kinda right? I hope so. I don't know. But let's check this out right now. Check out Instagram, subscribe. Let's do this. Is this Mongolian? I think it is. I think it is. Very cinematic, I like it. Hey. Mongols. Scary dudes. Scary. Horsey. What did I say like that? I don't know. Horses are nice. Hey. The beat is starting. What are they gonna do? I didn't expect that. Dancing? Hey. Nice voice. Are they gonna be? Is it gonna be throat singing? I hope so. Maybe not by her, but you know, maybe some random dude appears. What? How are they dancing so smoothly? Hey, they're summoning something, I guess. Tengri God. God? Tengri and God don't really match. Some skull. Nice goatee. Fake goatee. A little bit more from the anime. They watch anime for sure. Naruto. Very interesting, dude. Very interesting. Whoa! I guess they did it. This something storm. Look at her eye, dude. She's turning into a demon. Very nice, dude. I'm very impressed by these dances, dude. It's almost perfect circle. One dude messed it up. Hey. This dude messed it up. Why did you do it? Fire him. This dude, fire this dude. Like this dude. Very nice. I mean, I don't like this dude because she's not a dude. I mean, I like this dude. That's what I want to say. Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you did enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe, comment, or stuff like this. And I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye bye!